D is the letter of the day. Let's learn some D words today. D is for dolphin. Dolphin is a smart sea animal that loves to jump and play. D is for duck. Duck is a bird that quacks and swims in water. D is for dog. Dog is a friendly pet that loves to bark and play. D is for donkey. Donkey is a strong animal that carries heavy loads. D is for dinosaur. Dinosaur was a giant animal that lived long ago. D is for door. Door opens and closes to let us in or out. D is for dress. Dress is a pretty outfit that girls love to wear. D is for doll. Doll is a toy that kids love to play with. D is for drone. Drone is a flying machine controlled from the ground. D is for dessert. Dessert is a sweet treat we eat after meals. D is for diaper. Diaper is worn by babies to stay clean and dry. D is for drawer. Drawer is a box that slides out to store things. D is for drill. Drill is a tool used to make holes in walls. D is for dove. Dove is a white bird that flies peacefully in the sky. D is for dragonfly. Dragonfly is a shiny insect with fast wings.